Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's video, I have chosen this MDF key holder. I bought this one from Itsubitsi website. For product code, check the description. As usual, let's start with priming the board. For primer, I'm using gesso. It's also from Itsubitsi and it's a normal gesso, not a heavy gesso. Once the primer is completely dry, you can start with the base. For base, I'm using chalk paint today. You can use acrylic paint also. Make sure you are applying it on all sides of the board, even at the back side and even the inner corners. As you can see in the video, the base is not even with a single coat of paint, so you need to apply at least 2 coats of paint. Once the base is dry, you can start with the design. For design, I am using chalk paints again. These are dotting tools with which I will be doing the design today. I am doing some Mandala florals. Please check the description for all the product links. If you don't have dotting tools, nothing to worry, I have some alternatives for that. You can use earbuds or backside of the pencil for these larger dots. And for smaller dots, you can use toothpicks, pencil tips and safety pins. For this key holder, I preferred a minimal design. I added 2 sets of flowers in 2 different sizes. You can use acrylic paints also for this. You can even mix chalk and acrylic paint to get the right shade. Flowers are completely done. Now I'm adding some leaves. You can use the dotting tool or a thin brush for adding the leaf pattern. And finally, let's add some small dots to fill in these empty spaces. And that's it, our design is done. At this stage, you can apply varnish and use it. But I'm going to try this epoxy resin. I got this epoxy resin kit from Itsubitsi. The ratio of this resin is 2:1. That means you need to add 2 portions of resin with 1 portion of hardener. To mix in the right proportion, I am using this kitchen weighing scale. I bought this from Amazon. I am mixing 20 grams of resin with 10 grams of hardener. It's mixing time. You need to stir at least 2-3 minutes. For application, I am using this dropper. It will take minimum 24 hours for proper curing. And also you need to keep it in a dust-free environment. To remove those air bubbles, I am using this blowtorch. Make sure you're not holding it for a long time, it will burn the board. I have given resin finish only to the top portion. For the sides, I am using this gloss varnish from Epoxy. And here is the final look. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.